Depending on your authorization, you might see the following displays listed in your main menu. You can get to each of them using point-and-shoot navigation or by using the proper command, shown in all caps, on the command line from any JES display. To see all active address spaces for the JESplex, use the activity display. A highlighted row, shown here in white, represents an address space that is in memory. The hold display gives you a list of sysout groups in the hold queue. Multiple groups may be listed for a single job. The input display helps you manage all jobs in the JESplex that are in pre-execution status. Jobs that are active are highlighted. The output display shows sysout groups in the output queue. Like the hold display, multiple groups may be listed for a single job. Sysout groups that are scheduled for output service are highlighted. The process status display lets you manage z/OS Unix processes running in the JESplex. Each row represents one process. Running processes are highlighted. You can use line commands to send arbitrary signals to a process. Look at the job status display to see all jobs in the JESplex. If an entry here is highlighted, it means the job is scheduled for execution or has one or more of its output groups scheduled for output service. The OperLog browser displays the contents of the JESplex operations log. This log is maintained by the system logger and is JESplex-wide in scope. If you prefer to use the traditional system log, or if the OperLog is not configured for your environment, you can use the system log browser instead by choosing Set Log Options from the Options menu. The user log display shows commands and responses issued from MCS extended consoles associated with your JES session. To get to the dataset status display, issue the S-line command from any job-oriented display. This display lets you see and manage sysout datasets for a selected job. Use the B-line command from any job, group, or dataset level display to invoke the spool data browser. This display gives you sysin and sysout data for the selected item. You can get to the message summary browser by using the M-line command from any job, group, or dataset display. This screen shows you important messages from the JES sysmessage and JES message log datasets for a selected job.